underwater. Underway, excuse me, underway. Underwater's my last boat. That's beneath us.
Hey,
now.
Madison.
Alright, as your last few victims on board, please remain fully seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, watch your kids. Please keep those face coverings over your nose, mouth, and chin at all times. And with that, looks like we are clear to go. Wave quiet, everybody on the dock. Goodbye. Yeah, you're never going to see them again. It's okay. I have no idea who those people are. And we're off, just like a boat full of people. I'm not great with analogies. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. World famous being world famous. My name is Daniel. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Now, to increase your chances of survival, please remain fully seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, watch your kids. Kids, watch your parents. Keep those face coverings over your nose, mouth, and chin at all times. Now we're beginning our journey here in the Amazon rainforest, where it does rain 365 days a year. On either side of the boat, you have these larger-than-life butterfly, very impressive wingspan. Goes from 12 inches all the way up to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, it's called them the rulers of the jungle. Off to our port side's Inspiration Falls. Now, a lot of people ask, well, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? I think it's pretty obvious. If you stare into the falls, you'll be inspired to go deeper into the jungle, that is. Everybody say, ooh. Ooh. Everybody say, ah. That sounded kind of like inspiration. So inspiring that we just changed rivers. We're now in the Congo River, in the deepest, darkest part of Africa, so let's see how far we can go. Now, up ahead, I did set up a picnic welcoming party. That's right. I invited everybody I know. I'm so excited, and nobody showed up. Yeah, I don't see anybody. Canoe. Well, obviously, something must have scared them off. Whatever it could have been. Wow, that is a really big python. Now, do you know how you can tell it's a python and not a boa? Boas have feathers. Yeah, I better drop on my tank, grab some snake repellent while we're out here. Oh dear. Oh, looks like my tent was locked this morning. I knew I was forgetting something. Oh well. Now the good news is I could not get that Jeep to start, but it sure looks like they got it to turn over. Yeah, they probably used a monkey wrench. Well, we're going to turn down the Nile. It's just getting a little bit too loud. The Nile River is one of the longest rivers in the world. Goes on about 4,000 miles. Don't worry, I do know a shortcut. Right over here, this is an African bull elephant. Believe it or not, the African bull elephant is the second most feared animal in the jungle. That's right, there's only one thing scarier. His mother-in-law. This is a sandstone rock formation. I just pointed out because most people take it for granted. Yeah, that's for our boulder attractions here in the jungle, but most people don't share my sentiments. Looks like I found our way to the African belt that holds up the African pants. Wow, a lot of animals out here. Oh, look at those lions. They're protecting the sleeping zebra. Yeah, he looks dead. Tired. Dead tired. That's right, kids. That's how a zebra sleeps. On his side, neck bent at a 90-degree angle, and surrounded by lions. So we're going to let him rest in pieces. Oh, well, there's that safari party I was told to look out for. Now, I told these guys not to tease the wildlife, but I think they got the point in the end. Yeah, he'd be the low man on that totem pole. Just around this river bend here is the beautiful and majestic Switzer Falls, named after the famous explorer Dr. Albert Falls. Now, last time I went through here, I made a left. This time I'm going to go to the right. Now it left. It was awful. It was terrible. Or did it go right last time? Oh well. We'll find out, right? Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. We're not going to turn. Lean in! Lean in! We're not going to make it! Lean in! Lean, lean, lean! We're not going to make it! We made it. I see my friend there in the window seat, the light button down shirt must have been paralyzed in fear. Oh no, it's a downed airplane. Downed airplane all the way here in the jungle. That can only mean one thing. Hippos. Oh no. It's a whole pool of hippos. Hippos are some of the most dangerous animals here in the jungle. Just last week they sank 6 of our boats, but don't worry, only 5 were mine. Alright, now nobody panic if you see a hippo charging the boat. I only take cash. Well, I don't think we're out of the woods yet. Could be all these trees. But it looks like we're heading into headhunter territory. Now, this is a terrible place to be headed. That canoe contains the native arts and crafts. That's my friend Art there on the front. Oh dear, looks like we're interrupting a meeting. We better get out of here. Now, the other skippers did tell me to watch out for something called an ambush. I'm still not entirely sure what an ambush is. I'm guessing a bush of some type, probably big, green, and leafy. They said it's very, very obvious and really, really hard to miss. But you know what? All these plans are the same to me. Well, I guess I'll never know where that ambush was. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the thing you travel 1,000 miles to see the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water, also known as O2H. Now, whatever you do, do not attempt to look at the backside of water at home. You know, you'll hit your head on the faucet. Please don't ask how I know. I really don't want to talk about it. But it looks like we're now in the Mekong River over in Southeast Asia, deep in Cambodia to be specific. Now, I'm not entirely sure where this temple leads. It could lead to danger, but it could also lead to treasure. So, do me a favor, keep your eyes open. I'll be keeping my eyes closed for this part. Over here at the riverbank, this is my good friend Trader Sam. Trader Sam is our head salesman here in the jungle, although it would appear that sales have been shrinking lately. So I was trying to do special, 2 of his heads for the price of 1 of yours. That's right, any way you slice or dice it, you'll come out ahead. It's a pretty good deal since it's cutthroat industry. Yeah, a lot of people lose their head over a special like that. Now, in just a few moments, we'll be making our return back to civilization, so we ask that you please remain fully seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, watch your